Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today we got a unboxing. So I haven't been around lately, haven't really purchased anything, but then I saw this going for a good deal, and I will ask one question to anybody out there who's watching this video. Now this is the Eau de Parfum unboxing for Jaipur Homme. Has the EDT been discontinued? Because it's hard to find, and the prices I've seen it for second hand and even new have skyrocketed. So I'm assuming that the eau de toilette is harder to find and discontinued. But anybody who knows anything about that, let me know, because if it has, I'm lucky I've still got a fair bit of juice in this 100ml. So anyway, back to this. I haven't really posted a lot, and I saw this and I thought, you know what, I love the eau de toilette. Everyone says the eau de parfum is just as good, if not better. So, and it's easier to get. You can just get this all day long at the moment. So maybe they've gone down the route of following the trend and just producing the eau de parfum now. I don't know. But haven't purchased anything in a while. So hope you're all doing okay and enjoying your fragrances still. And I made a decision to sort of come back a little bit before the new year. Once the new year comes around, I'm going to change my name to the channel to what it used to be when I first started YouTube. And no, it wasn't Frag Guy, but so I'll leave that till the new year. So anybody who's been around before I changed my name to Frag Guy, I just changed it recently, just for sake, because I'm going to change it anyway. But I will be changing it to my original first name, and I'll be doing sort of videos along the route of the name that I used to be. So, so we got Jaipur Homme, and I will be doing that change of video in the new year, change of channel, I should say. So we got Jaipur Homme, eau de parfum, French inlet, and there we have it. So the differences between the eau de toilette and the eau de parfum: basically a frosted bottle. That's see-through, just the same as this one here. That's like a goldish colour, the lettering, as here it's black. It looks black on camera. Look there, it looks pretty much the same, but it's not. It's actually gold, as you can probably tell there. Maybe caps and everything the same, just frosted bottle. So EDT is a good staple of mine. That's my third bottle, I think, of eau de toilette. I've never had this eau de parfum. So this was somewhat £23–24, something like that, on Notino in the UK. Yes, we still have a Notino here in the UK. I believe they don't do anything in the US anymore. Typical. Lightweight plastic, but very sturdy, hard plastic cap. You got the atomizer. So, I'm going to give this a spray and see what I think. See if it reminds me of the original or not. Okay. So, first impressions. Yes, it does remind me of the original, but instantly I would say more on slightly, you know, the original gives like this slightly sort of powdery barbershop smell, but in the background this one brings that up to the front. It's very sort of powdery, loud, vanilla, that kind of thing, and it seems to, at the moment, seems to have toned down on the spices. So like the original, it is predominantly sort of spices with some citrus, little hint of vanilla on the backbone, the little hint of like a powdery barbershop. This one is big on the powdery barbershop, with big on the sort of vanilla. I'd take that back. Actually, the spices are starting to come through, so they wasn't there on the original first spray. But as it's settling on the skin, I can definitely smell the spices coming through. Not as dominant on the spices, even right now, than the original. But I can tell this is a little bit sort of stronger on the skin. The Eau de Toilette is known to be quite strong, which it is. This one already, I would say, it's going to be something that's going to last longer on the skin than the Eau de Toilette, but as loud, about the same. In fact, it's already dying down a little bit more than the Eau de Toilette does, so I don't think this one's going to be as loud and in the face, but you can tell by the way it's on my skin it'll probably last a lot longer. And the Eau de Toilette actually does a good job at lasting longer, so I'm not going to keep going on about comparing them, but Eau de Toilette more on the citrus on the top, with the spices mixing with a bit of vanilla, and then in the background like a powdery barbershop. They're more about the spices, and then the vanilla, then the barbershop. This one's more about your powdery barbershop with a backbone of vanilla, then spices. So in sort of that order. So if you want something a bit more spicy and less barbershop, go with the Eau de Toilette. And I would say if you want something more barbershop, like on the powdery side, a little bit more about the vanilla and less of the spices, then I would go with the Eau de Parfum. But first impressions, actually really nice, and I'm going to go out in the next couple of days, both for Halloween and for my birthday. So I'm going to be putting this on. I think it'll fit quite well for both. So I'll give it a good testing over the weekend. So that's it. That's my unboxing and first impressions of Jaipur Homme Eau de Parfum. Which one do I like the best? Well, they're both just as good as each other, in my opinion. If this has been discontinued, I'm not going to be wearing this as much. I want to sort of savour the juice and have it around for future videos and so on. And so if I fancy wearing Jaipur Homme, and that is discontinued like I think it is, then I'll probably just wear the Eau de Parfum. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, would help me out. I appreciate you watching, and I might come out with a couple more videos before the new year. I think I'm probably going to do a top 10 winter fragrances before the end of the year. I might even do it in November, maybe something for Christmas, and then I will change my channel to what it used to be back in the day. I mean, I've been on probably 12 years now. I know my channel doesn't show it, but I have actually been on for a while. I think I was on for 5-6 years, deleted my channel, and about 3 years after I came back. Hence, if you look at my videos now, go back, maybe come back 4 or 5 years ago now, if that. So anyway, stop rambling, I'll let you go, and hopefully I'll see you again soon on a couple of videos this year, and then start the new channel next year. So all the best to you, and I'll see you again in another video.